Hello everyone, this is Sebastian Sanchez from IBM FileNet Content Manager Support, and today I'm going to show you how to add the deny permission to a folder, to a specific folder. So the first thing you need to do is you need to log into ACE, and then after that you need to select the object store from where you want to update this security permissions. After you choose your object store, then the next thing you need to do is to search for the folder you want to update the security. So we're going to go to search, and we're gonna do a new object store search, and we're going to select the class folder because we're going to search for a folder. Then on the property name, then we need to select the property name, and then the condition equal to, or if you don't know the exact name, you can put starts with or like. I wanted to change the security for my OS1 folder 1, so that's where I'm going to run to search for the folder. So now that I have my folder here, and we have these documents here to confirm, what we're going to do is that in the same search, we're going to go and select bulk actions. Okay, so when we select bulk actions, we're going to click on enable checkbox at the first, so we can do some modifications. Now we're going to ignore all of this settings here, and we're gonna scroll down to the update security part. We're gonna check the box for update security, or we're gonna add a user to this. So with this, what we're going to do is that we're going to select a specific user which we don't want to that user have the deny permissions to delete anything from this folder. So we're going to search for the user here. In this case, I'm going to put my name. Let's see what appears here. Okay, so it will have my name here. We're going to add it to the right row, and we're going to click OK. Now, on this part, we're going to apply for the object and all the children, because we want this user to doesn't have any permissions to delete at all. So we're going to click here, and in this part we have multiple different permissions that we can add allow, remove allow, add deny, or remove deny. So in this case, we're gonna select the add deny, the permission delete for the user, and after that we're gonna go and click run here. We need to make sure we're very sure that we don't want this user, because this add deny permissions will override any other permissions. Even the admin permission will be revoked for the add deny here. So let's say this user right here, it's the P8 admin, and if we add deny on the delete permission, it doesn't matter if the user is an admin. It will override an admin's permission with this. So we need to make sure that we are completely sure that we are going to require this to be run. So after that, after we confirm and we are 100% sure, we just click run here, and it will take a couple seconds, and you will see here that the query returned one object, which means it already has applied the deny permission to delete on the folder we selected. After you apply the changes, to validate that the user were successfully updated on the folder security, you can go to the folder security tab and check for the permission check for the user, that was modified the permissions. So you just need to click on the user, go to edit, and here you can see that you have the permission type deny undelete. So with this, you can validate that the permissions were changed successfully. And that's all for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and please follow Big Blue Helps for more content like this.